Welcome to Physics 101 course. This course is carefully designed for you to be able to understand all the aspects of physics as simple as possible. We try in this course to break down all the physical topics in its simplest form and be able to connect those informations and those equations and concepts of physics, being able to connect them with real-world applications and how they are useful in your everyday life, and how you're able to apply all the concepts that you learn in this course to be able to solve real-life problems. This course will be starting as introduction and giving you all the basics to be able to excel and advance through the physics fields and its all aspects in the future. Physics is defined as the best scientist's shot to understand the world we live in, from the tiny atoms to the biggest galaxy in the universe. Physics been always there, even before humans exist. The moment the universe was in the making, the physics was there, and it's helping us today to understand where the universe came from, and probably in the future why we're here and where we came from. Physics affects every aspect of your life. That day when you tried to do a backflip and ended up on your back, that was the physics to blame. And that day when you threw your basketball to the net and ended up in the rim, that was the physics to blame. Even that icy morning when you did a crazy donut with your car, that was for sure the physics to blame. So we're learning physics to be able to understand what's going on in our life in a good or in a bad way, as simple as our daily life activities and as big as what's going on in the universe. So physics can be a charming novel that is written with numbers, helping humans to understand what's going on around them and why it's happening that way. Learning physics will help you accomplishing more work in life while consuming less energy. Having more pleasure and less pain can be surely achieved through learning physics. Physics makes you fly without wings and make you swim without fins. Physics help you how does things work the way and why they work the way they work. So in this course, we will tackle all the main aspects of physics and be able to simplify it for you and make it as simple and understandable and comprehensive as possible to be able to finish this course having all the knowledge you need to be able to go to more advanced topics in physics. In this course, we will cover kinematics, which is caring about motion and how things are moving, either points or objects from point A to point B. And we will talk about dynamics, how things are moving relate to each other, and how are all the forces in the real life world affecting the motion of those objects. We will talk about work and energy and the mechanical waves. We will be able to define as well the concept of momentum and impulse. And we will talk as well about forces and fields. We will talk about electromagnetic radiation. And eventually we will talk a little bit about atomic physics and how atoms interact with each other and how do they interact with the forces around them. I hope you'll find this course interesting. Eventually you will be able to learn the concepts of physics in its simplest form and as smooth as possible. For now, let's jump into our course.